What is going on, everybody? Back at it with a trade recap. We were done very quick and early today. Let's go through the bias. Let's go through my trade. First P&L, 810 across my 5 Express 150s, putting my balance back up in the green. If you guys don't remember, I got these literally last Wednesday, passed them off of Wednesday and then a Thursday trade. Friday was the first day I won. Yesterday lost off an A+ setup, and now got a smaller win today to put us back green on the account. After 3 days, we have 2 winning days. So if we could get 3 more winning days and get above like a $3,500 balance, then I'll probably take out about half from each of them for a 7-8K payout, maybe even 10K if they're big enough. So there's a P&L, 800 times 5, 4,000. Let's get into the bias. So coming into the day, we had already tapped this daily gap yesterday on NQ, but I noticed that ES was yet to have filled it. So I wanted to see ES tap this daily gap, right it open, and then we could manipulate and get shorts off of it. So here we are pre-market, as you can see. Let me just delete a bunch of this shit. As you can see, we are far from the daily gap on ES. So I was like, all right, whatever. I want to see this get pushed up to an open, because we accumulated right here, as you can see. And then we started manipulating up so I could take shorts off the daily gap at open. Sadly, we tapped it about 10 minutes early, which was kind of unfortunate, right? So we ended up tapping the gap about, at 9:20. So now I realized, okay, what's going to happen right at 9:30? Well, right at 9:30, we're going to open up this 15-minute fair value gap. And since we're now accumulating, or not really making much of a move off this daily gap tap, at least not what I was expecting, I want to see us make a move lower towards the fresh 15 that we're about to open and get a little bit of money there. So after this move was made and we tapped, we didn't really do much. We sort of chopped around at the top for about 2 minutes straight, didn't make any real move, just a 10-point range for 2 minutes straight. Then right at 9:30, here it is. Ready? Here's 9:30 open. Boom. Immediate wick. So this 15-minute got opened as soon as this candle opened, and we immediately tapped into the 15-minute gap. What else did we do? We made an SMT. We took out this low, but we're nowhere near it on ES. So all of a sudden, we have an AMD model. We chopped around, sold off super obvious right at 9:30 into a fresh 15-minute, respected it with an SMT, and opened up a 30-second gap. Then we couldn't inverse it the first 2 times, which scared me a little bit, but I noticed, listen, we have these stacked highs here, this LRLR that we formed, and we have an hourly high to our left here from New York PM, the New York PM high. So I said, okay, I'm probably going to take a break even at this LRLR, and then I'm going to take it 1-to-1 to this to this hourly high. So I ended up getting in, because this was such a momentum candle, I got in before the close, and then I wanted to take it to this hourly high, and as you could see, TP was hit instantly. And actually, it ended up running for about 3 RR, at least last time I checked. I haven't seen anything else since then. So, wow, as you could see, my entry actually never even got revisited the entire session. So at peak, I could have hit a 5.6 RR trade. Yeah, what time is it now? 11? Yeah, so my shit didn't get, revisited till 10:17. Absolute banger here, though. Went for 108 at peak. We just caught the 1-to-1. Got me my quick win. It's very simple, guys. Like I said, I look for those 9:30 AMDs. I look for, price to stall. Then right at or before open, we manipulate up or down into a key liquidity pool. Get a nice reversal, get our IFVG entry, and then we take it to obvious liquidity pools. And obviously this was our obvious internal liquidity pool, and the hourly was our obvious external liquidity pool. I didn't really have any other clear draws above that I felt I could leave runners for, and also just the trade happened so fast that I really wasn't like, okay, let me take out one here, let me trail here. So, no clear draws for me, except for maybe you could argue this unfilled hourly gap. But even so, actually that would have been pretty nice, to be honest. And this 1 minute actually ended up hitting as well. So yeah, you could have caught about 63 points. But overall, just a really good setup. Really, really quick and easy day. I mean, called this out. I initially wanted to see shorts off the daily, like I said, but that ended up getting tapped early. So I really liked this alternate play. And because we were immediately tapping and respecting, I mean, the respect was instant. And you'll see when I post my trade execution on Instagram and TikTok, but the reaction off the gap was instant. When we're touching a fresh gap and respecting it like that at open instantly, usually a sign that it's going to hold and we're going to continue on our trend. So yeah, nice little continuation at open. Very nice trade. A couple people online took it as well. And yeah, look at have a quick and easy day. Now we're on to Wednesday. Peace.